Alright, hello everybody. It is Redmar Gaming here coming at you with something new, a new series, a little mini series. I don't know if this is going to be a permanent series, but it definitely will be a series on my channel. So welcome to this Ferrari Challenge Stradale video car review thing. I would be doing this on Forza Motorsport 6, but as you all know, or some of you do know, I'm pretty sure, I don't own the game currently because, well, I'm really poor and I can't afford it. Let's just get out of this little cinematic view. Here it is at its best. I put a custom skin on it where it looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at it. Just in case if you're wondering, on the last video that I did with the cars and shit, my top 3 favorite cars ever made, this was the third one that I was going to showcase to you guys, but the footage got screwed up at the end and I only got to show you guys the Mercedes and the Lamborghini Huracan. So here is the third one that I'm making up to you guys. So we're just gonna go through all of these little things so you guys get some information based on it. So I'll shut up real quick.
A Ferrari is built for one purpose: performance. The gold standard of high-end machines, Ferrari has been the dominant force in racing for the last 80 years. Their founder, Enzo Ferrari, used to live above his workshop so he could constantly improve on his cars. Enzo Ferrari's flair for the dramatic lives on as well, with each race car emblazoned in trademark Ferrari red. The Ferrari team owns most of the major Formula One racing records, but their winning ways extend beyond the track. Their bold looks and winning history have made Ferrari the most powerful brand in the world, ahead of corporate juggernauts like Apple and Samsung. This potent combination of success and style has also made owning a Ferrari the ultimate dream for racing fans across the globe.
Alright, so there was that little description thing. It's not a description of the car, but it just gave you a little bit information about Ferrari. What does this do? Oh, that just turns on the lights. Oh, that's kind of cool. Not really useful since it's not nighttime here. What does this do? Is this just a cinematic look at the car? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It looks really good, I must say. It looks absolutely astonishing. Is this like statistics or anything? No statistics about the rims or anything? Nothing. Oh yeah. No, never mind. Ah, yeah. There's some statistics for you. Can I skip this? Oh, okay. Look at the spoiler. Do you guys think the spoiler makes it look good, or does it look ricey? I mean, I put the spoiler on there so it has additional grip around corners and stuff, which is very advantageous. It's like my circuit racing car. Like, this is my go-to circuit racing car. Like, I absolutely love this car, and if I was rich, I would want to have an exact reskin of this car in real life so I could drive it around. Maybe not the upgrades, because it might be illegal to have those upgrades. Something. Highlights. There you go. Top speed 220 miles per hour. Livery by me. Pretty damn good, I must say. I'm pretty proud of that. What is this? Oh, okay. That's just the design. What does that do? Oh, I can upgrade it from there. Let's can we implode this thing or something? Or explode? There's like a feature on that for Forza Horizon, or not Forza Horizon, Forza Motorsport 4. There is on this one. Let's close that door. No, I wanted to close the damn door. Can I close it? And how do I close it? I don't want to, like... Oh, that's... Okay, fine. The dashboard looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I put it in yellow because, I don't know, I just kind of like the way yellow looks on this car. Looks gorgeous. It's a 6-gear car, 6-shift, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty damn good. I've got a floppy paddle. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Let's see what this car sounds like. Did you hear that turbo? Ooh! Twin turbos is life in the car industry. Wait. I can hide the UI? Oh, that's much better. Woo! Absolutely gorgeous sounding. Woo! By the way, I saw a Ferrari 458 Italia. Oh, I actually closed the door. One time when I was taking a trip to San Diego, which was fucking gorgeous. It was absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, I didn't get to hear the sound of it or see it drive or anything, but I did see a Ferrari 458 Italia, one of the most iconic supercars of Ferrari. Absolutely gorgeous car. Absolutely. Alright, enough with the looking at it. Let's get in and try to do something with this car. We're gonna do a little circuit race. We're gonna hop onto an online lobby. I think. Okay, let me... I don't know if it makes me speak. Okay, let me just turn that off if that's possible, because I don't want to be speaking while I'm, doing everything, because that's kind of weird. I'm talking to myself. Well, I'm talking to you guys, the viewers. Audio, can we, like, mute the chat or something? Okay. I can't, like... Whatever. If it says that I'm still talking if I hop on an online lobby, then I'm gonna be pretty disappointed. Like I said, I don't know if it actually does talk, but nah, I'm not gonna risk it. I don't want to look like a fucking weirdo. So let's just hop on a solo thing. We're gonna go to Le Mans, which was the racetrack that I put this car on, but you guys didn't get to see that. I'm gonna keep it as the tuning setup that it is. It's already pretty highly upgraded, pretty much to the max. So, game options, just 1 or 0. I mean, I don't want to deal with any of the drivatars. So let's hop right into this. That spoiler though, that's really gonna mess up my top speed of my Ferrari. It's gonna mess it up, man. But hopefully we'll still be able to perform and maybe get a better time. Just so you know, I'm a pretty bad driver on this game. I usually spin out. I like literally have to put every single handling upgrade on there to make it easier for me to drive, because I am that bad of a driver on this game. It's a bit too realistic. Plus, it's a bit harder using a controller instead of like a wheel or something. It's just a bit harder. Ah, my ear is itchy. Shit, that was intense. I didn't want to like pause it or anything because it would have kind of messed up the video. Well, not really messed up the video, but it would interrupted. That's the word I was looking for. Oh man, that was fun. I didn't crash once. I kind of did some sketchy turns. And then Ferrari got a little bit dirty, but that's alright. That's alright. The Ferrari still looks beautiful. No worries. You saw the top speed. You saw the acceleration. Mainly because they put an all-wheel drive system on there. Or drivetrain, or whatever. It makes it a lot more faster. And for me, a bit more easier to control. Did I beat my previous time? What was my time? 3 minutes and 52 seconds. The number one place for the Le Mans is 3 minutes and 9 seconds. I'm 50 something or 40 something seconds off. Oh god, my mic is messing up. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I have to do that. God damn it. Wait. I have. Shit. Okay, I think my microphone is better now. Since I'm using an Xbox One Turtle Beach, it's the well, not the quality, but the reliability is absolutely shitty, and I can't really keep on talking for extended amount of time. So shit, man. Sorry about that. Oh fuck, I pressed the wrong one. So that was the Le Mans little circuit thing. That was pretty cool. Can we get like a look at this car? Ooh. Yeah, I think I'll end the little thing here. For anybody watching this on Twitch, this will be going on my YouTube channel. That's why it's going to be sort of a short live stream. It's kind of awkward to live stream because people expect you to like live stream for what, an hour or 2 hours. I don't really know how people want it. But I think I'm going to end the gameplay here. You guys saw the Ferrari at its best, at my best, and the way it looks is at its best in my opinion. It's absolutely astonishing. I love the graphics in this game. Like I said before, unfortunately I can't get any gameplay on Forza Motorsport 6 yet because I'm really poor and I can't afford that game, sadly. But I think I'll end this little car review here. If you all did enjoy this video, hit that like button and subscribe for a daily basis of my videos. And without further ado, I will see you all on the next video. Adios.